so I'm just gonna put the wig cap on.
You and me will always be tied. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself.
Go in. I'm gonna pull this back some.
You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family. They'll make you scream. Make you wanna sing. Family, a family, proud family.
Crazy. So, anyways, it does come with 4 combs in it, and yeah. So what we're gonna do before we even pop this baby on our head, we're going to add some pressed powder into the lace on the inside. That looks gorgeous, though.
You and me will always be tied. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool.
Oh no, baby, where did I go? Where did I do wrong, honey? Oh baby.
You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family. They'll make you scream. Make you wanna sing. Family, a family, proud family. Proud family. They'll push your buttons. They make you wanna have family, a family, proud family.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my flat iron. I really need a hot comb to straighten these roots. Let's see how well it takes to a curl.
J-Squad.
Oh, it takes well, and I probably could have did it better.
Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. You know there's no one I love as much as you.
Bruh, that is so freaking pretty. I might just do 2 curls in the front, and then we're straight. Alright, y'all, I can't find no lip gloss, but this is the completed look that I went for. You hear me? And it's giving you scalp realness, honey, period. This is my first time ever customizing a wig or going to this extent with a wig, especially a human hair wig. Because y'all know that I love my synthetic units. This is how it looks without the light. Like, what lace, honey? I only paid $100, I think, for this unit, which is really not bad. And I don't have it glued down on these on the sides, y'all. I just got it glued down in the front because I stick with the middle part. Period. This unit is so freaking good, and I'm so freaking glad that I can wear this unit every day if I wanted to. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave this video a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. If you would like to purchase this unit, I will leave the link in the description box below. If you would like to purchase any lashes, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at @LashByAshleyJ. Don't forget the extra in the Ashley. See you guys in my next video.
Family,